Thank you everyone, still with us on Siaran Pendidikan Interaktif. Still with me, your host Michelle Medina, and of course Miss Inayatullah from SMK Pustek Serpong. Once again, we want to remind those at home that you have any questions regarding the materials that we are discussing today, please call in directly at 0800-140-3046 or through SMS at 0852-8386-8667 or through Facebook at Televisi Edukasi. And for those of you that cannot watch our show live today, head on to tve.kemdikbud.go.id for video demand. All right, everyone, before we continue our lesson with Miss Ina, we actually have a second teaser for you all to see right now. Silakan.
Hey, I'm Laras.
Hello. You're that new kid, right? I'm Rian.
Nice to meet you, Rian.
Nice to meet you too. Sorry, what is your name again?
Laras.
Laras, okay. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention before.
That's okay. Are you okay? You seem a little bit distracted.
Well, yeah,
Hey, you don't have to tell me if you don't want to.
Thanks. It's just, personal.
I understand. Do you want me to go? Do you want to be alone or something?
No. Please stay. I can use the company.
Okay.
All right, there you go. We just saw the second teaser for the day. And I guess, Miss Ina, would you like to give comments on the second video of the day?
Okay, it's an informal situation ya, informal situation in introductions. Nah, tetapi di situ ada percakapan yang mengarah pada personal ya, terlalu personal. Nah, ini ada etiketnya. Sebenarnya tidak boleh untuk ketika berkenalan tidak boleh untuk bertanya tentang personal information like marital status or the problem that he or she has.
Right, karena baru bertemu ya, Bu?
Yeah, of course. Itu adalah bentuk-bentuk dari informal expressions of introductions.
Alright, thank you for that, Miss Ina. And I guess we can continue with the lesson of the day.
Okay, we continue to the next lesson sambil kita menjawab pertanyaan yang pertama ya. Pertama dari...
Okay, actually, we have a caller that has just come in. Alright, kita jawab ya. Halo, Televisi Edukasi, dengan siapa dan di mana?
Halo.
Halo.
Iya.
Televisi Edukasi
sore.
dengan siapa dan di mana? Selamat sore.
Iya, Pak Aris di Kota Pangkal Pinang, Provinsi Kepulauan Bangka Belitung.
Oke, silakan dengan pertanyaannya.
Hari siapa ya tadi? Sandi. What is your name? Sandi. Sandi. Hari. Titik. Jelaskan apa arti.
Oke, sepertinya terputus ya, sayang sekali. Untuk yang teman-teman yang lain, tetap semangat ya untuk telepon if you have any questions regarding the materials that we are discussing today. Alright, Miss Ina, I guess we can continue with the lesson, yeah?
Okay, it's likely that the caller is so... Where is it? It's kind of child, yeah?
Right.
Child. But I like his spirit to ask about English.
Right.
Okay, what is your name? And then blah, blah, blah. What it means.
Right.
Okay, what does it mean? I mean, what is your name means siapa namamu, and then bla 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 titik-titik itu harusnya direspon dengan namanya siapa gitu ya. Kalau misalkan yang penanya adalah Rifki, berarti jawabannya my name is Rifki. Kalau misalnya si penanyanya Rifki dan Sandi yang menjawab, berarti my name is Sandi. Itu adalah bentuk dari self introduction.
Thank you for that, Miss Ina. I guess we can continue.
Kita lanjutkan untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang tadi ya, yang pertama bertanya tentang bagaimana memperkenalkan orang lain.
Ya, tadi ditanyakan teman kita yang sudah SMS, bagaimana
memperkenalkan orang lain.
Ya.
Oke, bagaimana caranya memperkenalkan orang lain ke orang lain lagi begitu ya.
Silakan.
Oke, ada seperti biasa ada dua ekspresi. Yang pertama adalah ekspresi formal dan yang kedua ekspresi informal. Formal expressions. Oke, kita bisa lihat. I would like to introduce my friend to you. This is, nah ini diisinya oleh nama. For example, this is Michelle. Oke. Kalau misalnya formal berarti menggunakan last name ya atau surname. Michelle Medina. Oke. Kemudian bisa juga menggunakan bentuk kalimat yang kedua. Let me introduce you. Let me introduce you to Michelle Medina. Nah, dalam formal, sangat formal, situasi yang sangat formal, it's necessary to put the address. To put the title. For example, Michelle, you haven't got married yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. So you have to put Miss Michelle Medina. Okay. If you have married, for example, you're married to Mr. Anton, for example, Anton
Okay.
Suganda. So you have to write Mrs. Suganda.
Suganda.
Okay. Now this is the formal expressions in introducing someone to someone else.
I think I would prefer Mrs. Richard Gere.
Yes.
So next time, maybe?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's continue. Okay, ini adalah yang kedua, informal. Ya.
Yes.
Informal, some informal expressions. The first is, have you met my colleague, John? Colleague adalah teman kerja ya, atau teman sejawat. Apakah kamu pernah bertemu dengan teman rekan kerja saya, John? Or, I'd like you to meet my colleague, John. Saya ingin kamu bertemu dengan teman kerja saya, John. Ini bisa menggunakan I'd like. Or, have you met my colleague? Have you met or I'd like you to meet. Ya, ini ada berbagai bentuk dari informal expressions.
Okay, very good.
Okay, and we see some of expressions in the conversations for the real. Okay, here it is. At the meeting. Okay, pretend that you A
All right.
and I'm B.
I'll start. Let me introduce you to Miss Tuti Alawiya, our new marketing manager. Miss Tuti, this is Mr. Lucas from Posmar.
Okay, welcome to our company. It's very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nah, ini adalah berbagai bentuk dari how to introduce someone to someone else ya. Jadi yang A itu memperkenalkan Miss Tuti kepada Mr. Lucas ya,
Yeah.
sebagai biasanya manajer company dari Posmar ya, PT Posmar. Kemudian si B menjawab, welcome to our company, it's nice to meet you. Mr. Lucas menjawab, Miss Tuti menjawab, selamat datang di perusahaan kami, senang berkenalan dengan kamu. And then nice to meet you too ya.
Okay, Miss Ina, we actually have another SMS
Okay.
that has just come in. Alright, it's from our friend di 0857 2049 sekian. Dan dia menanyakan, what is the meaning of the word I owe you one?
I owe
This
you
is a
one.
sentence.
Sentence
I
ya.
owe you one.
Owe means kita berhutang.
Berhutang.
Okay, with that ya. Jadi saya berhutang satu pada kamu. But I don't like about the idiom or some utterance ya yang bermakna kiasan. Tapi saya hanya bisa menerjemahkan satu one by one, word by word.
Right.
I owe you one means saya berhutang kepada kamu satu. Entah itu satu kali or one meeting or what, I don't know.
That's very off topic, but thank you for that,
Yes.
Miss Ina. I guess we
Okay.
can continue
Okay.
with our topic of the day.
Okay, so ini ada etika atau cara-cara ya. Jika kita ingin berkenalan dengan orang lain yang belum kita tahu, kemudian keadaan mereka sedang busy ya, sedang sibuk sekali, how to approach someone if busy, say excuse me, ya excuse me, and then you introduce or
Right.
you greet him or her ya.
Yes.
Kemudian if you have done something wrong, for example, before you introduce yourself, and then you done something wrong, and say I'm sorry or I apologize. It's necessary to say this.
Right.
Okay, so I think it's necessary to continue to the exercise. Is it right?
Yes. Let's
Okay.
continue.
Number one, this is a matching form ya. Ini adalah bentuk bagaimana menjodohkan sesuai dengan respon yang ada pada option yang ada sebelah kanan. Itu yang pertama adalah pertanyaan, ya. Kemudian yang kolom kedua adalah jawabannya atau responsnya. Okay, number 1. Let's begin to number 1. Michelle, could you please read it?
All right. The first is, can you spell your name?
Okay, which one is
Let's
the best
see.
answer? A, glad to see you. Do you think it is?
Definitely not.
Not. And then B, I'm English.
Definitely not.
C, I'm 12 years old.
Incorrect.
D, I'm from England.
Incorrect.
E, how do you do?
Incorrect.
F, it must be the answer.
Yes,
My
definitely.
name is Tom. T-O-M. Nah, kita lihat spell artinya mengeja, ya. So you have to pronounce the alphabet or the letter, ya. My name is Tom. T-O-M. Jadi dalam perkenalan kan kadang kita bertanya namamu siapa, tetapi kita ingin tahu nama jelas tertulisnya seperti apa. Nah,
Right.
so you have to ask about, can you spell your name?
Yes.
Okay, and then you answer, my name is, for example, Tom. T-O-M. So number 1, and the answer is F.
F.
Okay.
All right, before we continue with the second, we actually have a question from Facebook, from our friend Amelia. Dan pertanyaannya adalah contoh untuk introduction pada casual situation.
Introduction,
Ini sudah kita bahas,
self
ya.
or introducing someone to someone else? Just
Let's
introductions.
try self-introduction, ya?
Okay, contoh. Let's practice
All right, let's
Okay.
practice. Let's say we are at a cafe.
at the cafe, and I don't know your name, and you.
Right.
Okay, I approach you.
Right.
Okay, to introduce myself.
And
okay.
you want to ask for something or just introduce yourself?
Introduce
Just
only.
introduce.
Okay. Hi, my name is Zina.
Hello,
What's your
Ina.
name?
I'm Michelle.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, this is kind of
All right.
Casual expressions in
Yes.
introducing.
A casual introduction.
Yeah.
Because it's in a casual environment, right?
Yes.
And the person you are talking to is not someone you know as a boss or an elder person.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Very
the answer.
good. Mudah-mudahan sudah cukup untuk menjawab pertanyaan teman kita tadi, Amelia, ya. Dan I guess we can continue with the lesson.
Okay, let's continue to number 2. How old are you? How old are
How
you?
old are you? Okay, ini
Ini menanyakan
umur, ya.
itu tua ya, seberapa tua kamu. Tapi ini maknanya adalah berapa umur kamu ya. Okay. Number A, glad to see you. Is it correct?
I don't think so.
So B, I'm English.
I don't think so.
C, I'm 12 years old.
Alright,
Okay, let's
this
find
seems
the
like the
clue
correct
ya.
one.
Ketika bicara tentang umur berarti kita bicara tentang tahun.
Yes.
Ya, tahun berapa umurnya? How old are you? So we find the answer is C. Yeah. Okay, let's continue to number 3.
Okay.
Okay, what's your nationality? Nationality adalah kebangsaan ya,
Yes,
atau
kewarganegaraan,
bahasa ya, berhubungan dengan bahasa. Okay, let's check. A, glad to see you. I don't think so.
Incorrect.
B, I'm English.
Okay.
So we
This
find
is
the clue.
a nation.
English is a nationality from England ya.
Yes.
Jadi jawabannya adalah yang B ya.
Correct.
Okay, we find 3 answers. Okay, let's continue to number 4. Glad to see you. Nah, ini adalah bentuk ekspresi dari kesenangan, expression of the pleasure when you meet
Menyatakan rasa senang,
someone, ya. When you meet someone and introduce each other. Oke, kita cek jawabannya. A, glad to see you too. Nah, ketika kita berbicara senang bertemu dengan atau berkenalan denganmu, so the most appropriate is dijawab
Glad
lagi
to
dengan
see
senang
you
hati juga ya.
too.
Glad to see you too.
Right.
Okay, so the answer is A.
A.
Okay, number 5. Where are you from? Nah, where are you from?
Dari mana asal Anda
Oke,
ya?
dari mana asalnya? Sometimes ketika kita menanyakan tentang asal, itu ada yang bilang where do you from? Where do you from? It's definitely different meaning ya. Ini adalah artinya berbeda. Ketika kita menggunakan where do you come from, sebenarnya come from itu digunakan untuk animals, things ya, tidak untuk berkenalan dengan maksudnya settingan berkenalan dengan manusia. Seperti misalkan where does it come from? Ini datang misalkan dari Cina. It is made from China. Ya, ini adalah datangnya dari Cina gitu ya.
Right.
So to ask about where are you from? Nah, ini adalah pertanyaan yang harusnya digunakan dalam berkenalan ketika menanyakan dari mana kamu berasal. So, where are you from? Let's see.
I guess we'll go directly to the answer.
Answer, okay. I'm English. No, ya sudah dibahas. Kemudian yang D, I'm from England.
England,
Okay,
right,
ini
correct.
sudah jelas ya jawabannya. So, the answer is D. Okay.
And lastly,
Dan lastly, number 6, how do you
How do you do?
Nah, ini adalah sapaan. Oke, greetings untuk yang sama sekali belum kenal sebelumnya ya. And then the answer must be how do you do again?
How do you do again?
Ya, sudah pasti
Alright,
ada
thank
inilah
you for
jawaban
that,
yang
Miss
paling
Ina.
terakhir. Oke.
and it looks like we have to go to break right now. Don't go anywhere, tetap di Siaran Pendidikan Interaktif.